My name is Genie Yuan. I'm the Regional VP and Head of Field Engineering at Couchbase. Yeah, I guess, in terms of the two major trends, right? One is actually going to the cloud. Surprisingly, the other trend is actually coming back down to the edge. So if I can actually conclude in one sentence what are the key technology we should be looking out for, is the technology that help you to go to the cloud, and then the technology helps you get down to the edge as well. Given the fact that I think at the moment there are still a lot of focus to helping people to shift their on-prem workload into the cloud, but at the same time, I think equally important is the amount of effort focusing on how we're going to transform and push some of the compute and storage to where the data is sitting, which is at the edge, right? So if you're talking to the cloud provider, and you can actually see their wavelength zone. Actually, at the center of that is their cloud data offering, and then to the edge is all of those IoT kind of compute and storage. And that is where actually Couchbase plays really, really well in terms of offering from all the way from the cloud to the edge. Yeah, I think you're rightly pointing out that a lot of time has been put on different technology in a technology stack, from making them available, integrating them, making sure there is consistency across the board, from both high availability, from a scalability perspective, right? But equally important, I think the focus should be, zoom in for the business logic, all right? I think there are a lot of technology in the personnel actually focusing a lot of their energy on the platform and technology itself, where I argue the focus should be going back all the way to the the business logic, and that's where an integrated platform, right, will actually offer the benefits of that. So the user of that can focus their energy on the time to market, the business value, and all that, right, without going down to spend too much time on thinking about all of the nitty-gritty details about integrating and making the consistency across the board. This will actually help the innovation, and that's why I argue the what I call the time to market aspect of that is very, very important. If you still spend 80% of your energy and the time on the platform, you will not have the energy and what is required to focus on the business logic and get your quick wins. First of all, thanks for giving us that opportunity at the platform, right, to collaborate with a lot of technology personnel. I guess it's really exciting to see so many people spending their time talking about data, looking for different solutions. Now, it's good and bad in the sense that when you have so many different opinions coming to play, one thing I do want to encourage is to believe what you actually see, but not necessarily what you hear, okay? So put your hands on the technology, get some great idea from everyone from the stage, but try it out. That is the moment to validate, how true, that talk track is. And then collaboration is definitely the way to move forward. Again, going back to the whole conversation about integrated platform, how can we actually fail fast? So it's not about getting the right solution out in the first place. It's more around getting there a lot quicker so that you can fail fast, you can come with a lot more iteration, if that makes sense. So I really encourage everyone to try it, right? Don't just believe what we said on the stage. Go and download the software. A lot of them are, open source, and India have the biggest developer community, right? So work with your architect, work with your developer, try it out, and I'm sure you get the best out of it.